Students, welcome to our next session. Today we are going to discuss about physics and mathematics. Means how mathematics we applied in physics. Here mainly we are using differentiations and integrations. Differentiations and integrations we are using in physics. So we will continue the type of problem which we have in physics. For example, here first one, the height reached in time t by a particle thrown upward with a speed small u is given by h equals to ut minus half gt square. This height is given where the small g value is constant, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Then it is asking to find the time taken in reaching the maximum height. So when the upward thrown object reached the maximum height, then its final velocity, that is v, that velocity is equals to 0. That we can write dh by dt equals to 0. It means the change of height with respect to time. So the height by time or distance by time, that is nothing but velocity. That final velocity becomes 0 here. So first we have to take the h value, that is given ut minus half gt square. Then we have to find the differentiation of given equation, that is dh by dt. So find the differentiation. Here it is in terms of t. So with respect to t we get this is 1. So u into 1 you get minus half. This g is constant, we'll write as it is. So here we are using the formula dx by, suppose we have dx to the power of n by dt, that we get n x to the power of n minus 1. So that is the formula, we are using that formula here. So that's why you get here 2 into t. You get 2 into t. So this 2 get cancelled. So u minus 1 into gt, you get gt. So you get u minus gt. So we know already dh by dt equals to 0. That is final velocity. So dh by dt we got u minus gt. So u minus gt equals to 0. We have to, is asking to find the time. So we have to find the time. So send the plus u that side, become minus gt equals to minus u. Minus get cancelled. So we want the time t. So this is t equals to u by g. So now we got the solution t equals to u by g. When you throw the object vertically upward, it is called time of descent. The time of descent is t equals to initial velocity by acceleration due to gravity, t equals to u by g. So that we can find by using the differentiation. So we will see another, evaluate integration that limits lower limit 3 and upper limit 6 into 2x square plus 3x plus 5 into dx. So this is integration problem. We will write it. First we have to find that integration 3 to 6 2x square dx. I have to separate this plus integration 3 to 6 3x dx plus integration 5 dx. Here we are using the formula integration x to the power of n dx equals to x to the power of n minus 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1. So substitute here 2 is constant, take out the 2, this x square become x to the power, by using this formula, x to the power of n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that's we get 2 x cube, the limits are 3 to 6 plus this is 3 take out and x power 1 dx means this form, using this formula 1 plus 1 2, so x square by 2 you get, the limits are 3 to 6 plus 5 take out, so 1 into dx, 1 means, so x power 0 also we can write x power 0 equals to nothing but 1. So here you get x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 means x power 1 by x power 1. X power 1 by 1 means that is x. The limits are 3 to 6. Now we have to substitute these limits. Thus you get 2 here. Upper limit minus lower limit. 3 power 6 minus 3 power 3 plus 3 power 6 square by 2 minus 3 square by 2. Substituting the limits 5 x place you substitute 6 minus 3, upper limit minus lower limit. So we continue here. 3 power 6. 3 power 6 we have to calculate. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, 81 3 are 243, 243 3s 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 2 are 617, 729, 729 minus 3 power 3 is 27 plus here 36 by 2 16, 16 minus 4.5 plus 6 minus 3 3 5 into 3 15. Now 729 minus 27, so you get 702 into x cube by 3, 3 to 6 plus 3 into x square by 2, 3 to 6 plus 5 into x 3 to 6. So you have to substitute this value here. 2 by 3 upper limit 2 by 3 I am taking common. 2 by 3 6 cube minus 3 cube plus 3 into 6 square by 2 minus 3 square by 2 plus 5 into 6 minus 3. We are applying the upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 by 3 into 6 cube is 216 minus 3 cube is 27 plus 3 into 18 minus 9 by 2 is 4.5 plus 5 into 3. So 2 by 3 into 189, the subtraction 189 plus 3 into 13.5, the subtraction plus 5 3 is 15. So 3 6 is 18, 3 3 is 9. 63 2 is 126 plus 13.5 into 3, 40.5 plus 15. If you add these 3, 0.5, 6 plus 5, 11, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 181.5 meters. Sorry, 181.5, we get the answer. So in this way we are using differentiations and integrations in physics. Thank you.